circle to faster and faster tempo, and we sort of shaved down the hard edges of our swing out, made it more aerodynamic, more hardworking, so that we could get through those faster tempos a little easier. We reviewed what we did last week, and then we learned walks.
Yeah, it kind of looked like this when we show it this way, so you can see it. Where we walk forward, we stop, and we walk backwards. And we stop on both feet, actually, to get used to that. And we really mentioned the fact that leaders have to decide which foot they're on and to maintain that weight transfer on that foot. So if they stay in one spot, they're good. And if they're going to move, they have to make their full weight transfer.
We also learned a little slide move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we talked about really loading up on that outside leg and pushing back, and that the illusion of the slide comes from dragging your foot. Practice that one on your own if you're interested in learning it or doing it or leading it better. That will really help with that move. You guys did great. We'll see you next time.